This is the motor after I put new bearings in it, and I ran into, ran into some problems. See the white strap I put on there? The two bolts that hold this whole assembly together. Oh man, it's hard to do this. It's stripped out at the very bottom of the motor. Oh man, darn it. So anyways, I had to use the strap. The core of the motor, which I showed you in another video, had to be super glued back in place, which is hilarious. But it is working, obviously. See, it's been running for 2 days straight, all night, all day. And that strap has not melted. It's fine over there. Ouch, this thing's hot. But yes, it's much more quieter. Really a joy to use now. So yeah, thought I'd show you that. And my cameras died, so I couldn't get any real videos of me doing it. And so, anyhow, I just ask questions if you have any. Maybe I can. Hey. Fire equals heat. Heat equals happy wife and children. Got any questions?